Hey guys, it's Vonse coming at you with another video. As you guys know, I have quit my job and I'm out here supplementing my income by doing DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart. So right now I have all my apps on, trying to see which one I want to do. It's Wednesday. Orders are normally not great on Wednesdays, but I have a quota that I have to reach, so that's what I'm out here doing. So follow along and see what happens today. Okay, so I'm on my first run, which is a local pizza place, and it's for 2 drop-offs for $11. Already off to a shaky start. That's not a lot of money for 2 drop-offs, but I took it because it's Wednesday and this area is kind of slow right now. But the navigation on Uber is going haywire, so I'm a little irritated, but I'm gonna get it together. Okay, so those 2 drop-offs are done. I'm at $11. Woohoo! Both women, it was 2 women, they both seem really annoyed. Because the app is going crazy, so probably on their end, they see it and they're like, what is she doing? But it's not me. Uber's tripping. So, anyway, on to the next. They tripping. You see this order? I'm not taking this. No. It's a flat out no for me, dog. Okay, so I'm taking a chance on this next order. I have one from Popeyes and one from the liquor store. One is Uber, one is DoorDash. Taking a chance. It's lining up because I'm picking up the Popeyes first, which is going in the direction of the Uber order. Tricky. It's hard to do this because if you don't do it right, something's going to be wrong. You end up getting bad reviews because you get somebody their food late. They're going to complain and they can see you on the map. So I don't normally do this, but it's kind of slow, so I'm gonna do this double. I call it a double bubble, and hopefully it works seamlessly. So I do have the Popeyes order, which is a chicken place, and now I'm headed to the liquor store to grab the Uber order. So my plan is messed up. Apparently someone got shot and it's taped off on the route I need to make it line up. Dashing in the hood, delivering in the hood. This is what happens. Okay, it worked out. I was speeding. It was a little stressful. I don't think I'm gonna do that again today. I didn't like that. Okay, on to the next. So apparently it's fast food Wednesday, or I'm in the wrong area. I have another chicken place. It's $10 for 4 miles. That's not bad, so I took it. So that's my next one. I'm gonna tally up where I'm at and after this order. Okay, that order is done. So here I am. Here's my total so far. I've been out here roughly an hour and a half, and I've done 3 orders with Uber. I've done 1 with the DoorDash. Right now my total is $33.05. For an hour and a half, I'm averaging close to 20-ish. Not too bad. It's not too bad. It's definitely for fast food, and on a Wednesday, it's not bad. So I'm gonna take a little break because I'm really not feeling this today anyway, and it's hot. But I'm gonna get back to it and finish out my goal for today, and then I'll tally everything up at the end and let you know how I did. So rain is good when you deliver, but not like this. This is stormy. So I'm gonna go in for a little while. I still have to make like $15 at least. I'm gonna go wait it out. Plus, it's 3:30. This is not really a good time to deliver. I mean, it's in between times. The orders probably will pick up because it's raining, but no, this is too much rain. Okay, I'm done for the day. The day didn't flow how I wanted it to, but it worked out. It was cool. I came in the house because of the storms, and then I went back out when it got nice again. Then I wasn't really feeling it, so I'm like, let me just go ahead and grab my quota, which today my quota was $60. So I ended up with $67. Overall, it took me maybe 3 hours to get the 67, so that wasn't bad. And the only reason I'm guesstimating is because I did stop in the store several times. I kept, doing other things, running errands. But that's the whole point of being able to do this. I can stop when I want and start when I want. So here's my breakdown. Uber, I ended up with $49.87, and DoorDash $17.50 for a total of $67.37. So that was my total for today. I'm happy. I'm $7 over where I wanted to be, and I'm back in the house, and it was a good day, you ask me. So I'm gonna do this again, do more runs and see how it goes, but this is how today went, and I'm completely happy with it. I love this life. I love to be able to stop when I want, get back on when I want. So far so good. I'm loving this.